Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can manage front camera mirror effect in the REDMI Note 13 Pro Plus. So the first step, let's open the camera app, then flip camera to the front one, and now if I take the photo in the default state of the device, as you can see the photo is exactly same like in the camera preview. So if you want to manage your front camera mirror effect, click on the arrow icon and choose settings, then swipe down, look for the mirror front camera and just switch it off or switch it on. Then go back to camera, take a photo again, and now your photo should be reversed. Oh, I don't know why it's not working for me, but never mind. I hope it will be work on your device. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.